Hey guys, just want to show you how I built this sanding station out of all reclaimed materials. Let me show you how I did it. Okay, so I obtained these cabinets that were going to be dumped, and the boxes themselves ended up, they were still assembled and everything. And you can closely see that they still have the, or they had to put the holes in there for the pins for all the shelving. So I come up with this idea to attach two of them together, put a top on it, and then cut some slabs of wood there, same size as the inside of the box. And since I didn't have any pins, I simply, these aren't removable, I use screws. Easy enough, cheap, simple. They hold everything just fine. Slides in there, nice and level. So there you go. This is MAINEiac Creations telling you you can reclaim almost anything.